I just had the best idea ever. Let's go. Just Hoover Dam and kill people. Come on, it'll be fun. I mean, the NCR already hates my guts anyway. So, what's the point in, Oh, here we go. The fun's already begun. Wow, I'm that far away? Must be good at this or something. Oh wait, I am. Let's see. Didn't think that would work, but I just had to try. Hey, look, I get a couple hits in. Alright, let's see here. Oh, yeah, baby. Come on, I ain't done yet. Nowhere near done. I collect the dog tags. I have 113 of them. There's something very wrong with me. Son of a bitch. Hey, okay, you surrender. I get it. Now die. Oh, shit. Come here. I'm an old man. I can't get around that fast.
What's up?
Oh, whoops. Wrong command.
You're making me carry the heavy stuff, aren't you?
How'd you know? Okay. Now. We go indoors, so it's time for... That's better. Ah, wrong place. There's nobody in here. That's the shit. Let's try this thing out. To go. Oh shit, I'm injured. Just noticed. Oh, what's this? I gotta get better with machine guns. I'm wasting ammo. Cool. That's right. I don't get to pick a perk. Believe me, sir, this is all for a good cause.
Ooh, got something good for me? Is it a dress?
You know what's interesting? Until I played Fallout New Vegas, I never saw in a, like, you know, kinda at-home American game like this, I never saw an openly lesbian character. Kind of interesting, honestly. And it just makes me think what might happen if I were a girl. Nah, I'm just kidding. What else can I give her so I don't get over encumbered so fast? Holy shit. I have way too many fucking guns. Hold this until I need it. But it's time to have some real fun, kitties. Yeah, that kind of fun. Alright. Well, looks like I'm almost done clearing the fuck out of Hoover Dam. Normally takes a lot longer than this. Take my full thank you, asshole. Oh, Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh, wait, it's a woman. Never mind. Get back here, bitch. That's better. Whew. I'd feel bad if I had a soul. I don't. Spoiler alert. Oh, I'm already here. What about you, pal? What up? Huh? Oh, shit. Lol. Lol. Oh, cool. It's saving me right here. I can just keep going at this shit. I'm coming for you, bitch. I just hit Veronica. I really hope I didn't. Okay. Pick up the exact same 2 items. And where's okay? There it is. Alright, I guess we have to do this the fun way. Too bad, I really want to go on a killing spree. Well, this is close enough, I guess. Oops, go on. Oh, shit! Done got fucked up. My god, is that an eyeball? Yeah, that's right, I'm a cannibal. Big deal, wanna fight about it? Cause I'll do to you what I did to the NCR, man. Whew! Yeah. Sweet, this guy's carrying a hunting rifle. That's some serious cash. I will take it. I think I actually own a hunting rifle, so... Or if I don't, I'll just keep his. Shit. Alright, now it's time for the one place that's been left untouched by my rage. Speaking of rage, I should probably get high. Pills or no pills, I don't want to become addicted again. And no pills, I can do this. I'm a big man. It's shotgun time, mother effers. Who's this enemy?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Get some!
I like how it keeps saying I gain infamy with the NCR, even though I, like, can't even physically do that, because they already branded me a terrorist. So, yeah. Nice try. Alright, let's start with you, since you're the closest to the door. That's the problem with this guy, so if I'm around, you don't want to reposition towards the door. Yeesh. Okay. Where's my gun? I need some meds.
Who's there?
How's she doing, by the way? Ha! Bitch. Yeah, I remember the first time I came through here, I killed a bunch of bitches. Just like what I did here today. Okay, I had a lot of nice stuff. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done here. I'm gonna make some money. Well guys, that was me effectively kicking the shit out of everyone on Hoover Dam. Hope you enjoyed it.
Gotcha.
I hope I didn't annoy too much. Oh wait, still somebody here. Where is she? Oh, no? No? Where? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Last kill of the day, folks. You know, I'll just let Veronica have this one. It's gonna hurt, man. I shoot that dude in the ass. I just shot him in the dick. Yep. Oh my god. Never get over the gore. Ooh. Oh my god, is that his wiener? My god. Oh my god. Well, I can still search him from it. Okay, guys, well, that was, like I said, me killing everyone on the Hoover Dam. I hope you enjoyed. Bye now.